Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Just do it now. A lot of you have been saying that you are subscribed, but you have not been getting your notifications. Check and see if it's checked. So it should be, black. But make sure you select all so you get all the notifications, okay? Anything I say is not a suggestion to buy, hold, or sell. Make sure you don't fall for spam in the comments section. And then at the end of this video, check out all of my links, especially 2 links I'm going to provide, all right? Let's get right into it. There is a lot going on today. We're going to talk about AMC, Mullen, GME, all of the short squeeze potential stock. This page is not just about chasing meme stock. It is about building wealth, right? Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to show you something. Let me start with Mullen, right? And I'm going to share with you what Josh and I shared a few days ago, all right? Josh is a gentleman that does technicals. He comes here. If you look on my page, you'll see something called Technical Tuesdays, and he also has his own page. So let's listen to what he had to say.
So a lot of people made money on that, and right now we might have some FOMO. So we're going to look at what is our upside, what is our downside. I watched your video, Larry, yesterday, and I think you gave the family a potential 489 upside.
489. We're talking about Mullen.
Gave them a re-entry point of about 280, right? Yep. Which I think is spot.
So I gave a re-entry price of about 280 down to 210. Okay.
Yeah. 280, 282.
There is clearly a shelf on Mullen. Down at 2 as well. But now let's get into the big picture so we can see why I brought that up, right? So let's go back to the charts. So what we would like to see in this market right now is we'd really like to see the market digest this powerful move to the upside, okay?
He gave an overall, I stopped it because he went and gave an overall market to see what could happen, right? So now the reason I did that is because right now, at the time of this video, Mullen is up 25% today. But that's not what's happening to the rest of the stock. So now let's go back to a video where Josh and I were comparing AMC to GME, and this will all make sense.
The next GME. Yet again, we saw this monumental skyrocket move up, right? Got everybody's attention. But we didn't see it come back down as quickly as we saw GME come down. It kind of just came back and up and came back. But here in recent days, this is when Larry and I started talking about it here recently and began to call it out. And one of the things I said on the video, Larry, is that we had a complete and total retracement from back to the very beginning price, right? And we talked about how this was a great period of consolidation, and that if we could just break above the 20 to 21 area and close the day, that we could see it really take off to $29, and that is exactly what it did.
Exactly.
But I started to think about, so I'm going to be really honest, and I might aggravate, frustrate, annoy some of the followers, but I sold my AMC, okay?
You paper hand.
Well, I was.
So I wanted to show you that, and the reason why I wanted to show you that is we have to be careful who we get our information from, okay? I want to shoot it to you guys straight. If you are an ape, which I am because I'm holding my AMC, and but I'm doing that for a totally separate reason, okay? I'm doing that for a separate reason. But if you have more than one portfolio, or you're just getting in and you're trying to make money, I can't tell you what to do. I'm just showing you that we're telling you the truth about all of these short squeeze stocks and how to maximize it depending on what you want to do. If you want to hold it, if you want to buy AMC and hold it, we're literally telling you where to buy it at on the low and hold it rather than you buying it on a high. So if you're an ape and you want to buy it and hold it, we give you a low point to buy it and to hold it, right? So you don't want to buy at the top, all right? So that's what we're showing you. And for those of you, we also are truthful to tell you when it comes to the top where it's going to come back down. You make your own decision on AMC.
I'm expecting it will do. Again, we've had a great trade here, so don't get burnt at this point. I'm not getting burnt. I'm out. I've cashed my profits. I'm looking for a place to get back in, so I want you to be careful. But if I were still in, these are the areas I'd be considering to take profit next, around that $32, $34. We called that out on the other technical Tuesday.
We did.
But I think that it might hit resistance there, and we might then trend all the way back to this fib line, which just happens to be coinciding with this other.
And so we're trying to help you guys see where it's going, not get caught up into all of the hype, and show you entry and exit points if you choose to do so. But just think about this. Even if you're an ape or you want to be an ape or you want to buy more, this still helps you by telling you the truth, because if you're going to buy more, you shouldn't be buying more at the top. When it goes down like it's doing today, then we show you an entry point on where to buy in. Now, you can check two places to watch these videos. You can check my page. I always do it on Technical Tuesdays. So check my Tuesday videos, okay? And then Josh Nichols' page, which is Stocks Crypto Bots with Josh Nichols. I'm going to leave in the description. I'm going to leave his page, okay? I'm going to leave a link to his page, all right? And so I want to show you guys this. Let's just take a look. Look at this, good people. This is today, right? AMC now is down 7%. Hold on, let's click off there. AMC is down 10%. Almost 11% AMC is down, right? GameStop is down 360. And Mullen is up 24%. Mullen is up 24%. You see that, good people? Mullen up 24%. So what is that telling you? Is that the herd? You guys have to look at the volume, the trading volume. Trading volume on AMC was low, right? And so this is the same herd that are going from stock to stock. I just want to tell you guys the truth. And so I will tell you, I take the charting, I take my fundamentals, and then I take my psychology trading and I put them together. And that's how I make money. I don't just get stuck into one area. And I'm definitely not going to let a kid in his mom's basement call out a number, 5,000. I'm not selling mine until $5,000. You'll be 500 years old before it gets $5,000. I'm just going to tell you. I'd rather trust somebody that knows about dark pools, shorts, and have done it and knows how to chart rather than to listen to all of this foolishness that's out there. So I just want to help you, fam. I want to help the apes in a fair way. But I also want to help those of you that have all your money into a meme, quote unquote, meme stock, not to lose all your money. That's not what this page is about. This page is about building generational wealth. Okay. Now let's talk about another, crypto that I've been extremely bullish on, and that's Solana. And Solana, as a matter of fact, let me go to my phone. I want you guys to see this. There we go. All right, and let's do that. Okay. So guys, look at this. Bitcoin is pretty much flat. Ethereum, not 1%. Solana was a few minutes ago, right here, up 11%. Remember, we were buying it at $88. It's now $122. So you guys do the math on that. It's up that much today, 31% from $92. And remember, I kept suggesting that I can't say I was telling you guys. I kept suggesting that I kept purchasing it, and I went in heavy at $88, right? So let's look at what else is going on. Everything else, there's nothing else really popping. SHIB is doing good at 2%. I'm burping. And I bought more at 22, and I'm looking good on it. Of course, in my Coinbase, all of my SHIB in my Coinbase, I got at quad 017. And so I'm never selling that. So there's a way to sell, there's a way to trade, there's a way to invest. And so I do them both, and it works out for me. So I just wanted to show you guys all of that so you can make your own decision. That's what I want to tell you guys. Make your own decision. Don't listen to some kid. And I'm telling you, it's not cool. You're going to lose a lot of money chasing a lot of hype. There's a time to be in and there's a time to be out. I'm going to pull up a comparisons for another one that is let's see here. Nile is another one. Okay. Once you understand this game, good people, you can make money. And nope. Yeah, here we go. Nile. Let's look at that. Nile is down, right? Down, 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 up. Yep. And so, guys will come on and they'll say this and they'll say that, and they're not telling you guys the truth. I'm trying to tell you guys the truth, whether it's going to cost a page or not. I can get on here and hype. And I can tell you AMC Gme is going up to $500 tomorrow. It's not. I'm going to keep it real for you guys. So, and I do it in a way that you cannot argue with it. You can't argue with it. We called the end and we called where it was going to pull back, right? And the decision is yours. And I'm going to continue to bring you guys information like this, because at the end of the day, we're about building generational wealth. I want you guys to make what? Money. And then I also wanted to talk about Robinhood. Robinhood went up, I think it was 25%. Was it yesterday or the day before? I've been shooting so many videos, I'm losing my day. And I will tell you, that is solely off of their crypto, right? Robinhood makes way more money on crypto than they do their equities, okay? But they announced that you will be able to start pre-market trading at 7 a.m. Well, I'm going to tell you that if you click my links below and look at Moomoo and Webull, those you can start trading at 5 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, 5 a.m. Eastern time to 8 p.m. Eastern time. So Robinhood announced you could start trading at 7 a.m. I'm telling you, you can start trading at 5 a.m. And I want you to understand what you're doing in pre-market trading and post-market trading. Okay, so I wanted to hit you with Nile. I wanted to hit you with AMC, GME, and Mullen, and just give you an overall shot or an overall view of what's going on with them all. And I'm not going to talk about all of these short squeeze potential stock every day. All right. So don't ask for a lot of price quotes on it. Right now it's cooling off. The fact of the matter is it's the herd, right? And so all we could do is continue to look at the charts, look at fundamental, and then see what the herd is doing. Okay, so you got to go on to all of these platforms like Reddit and to see what the herd is going to do. So I'm not just giving you guys these prices. I'm sharing with you how we go about it so you could do your own research for yourself, good people. So now I'm going to end by saying a couple of things. One is on Josh's page, which I'm going to leave a link in the description. He and I had a conversation where we talked about charting, and I acted as I was you guys. So it's a lot of Q&A. I wasn't going to use it for anything. It was just an experiment. but I'm going to leave it on his page either today or tomorrow. I believe you guys will get a lot out of it for charting. Okay, so I want to talk about that. I also want to talk about tonight. I believe it's 7 Eastern, but don't mark me on that. But I think it's 7 Eastern time. Myself, Stockmo, and Keenan Grace will be chopping it up a little bit. We're going to give you a lot of information. I'm going to leave a link for that below also. So you'll have 2 links. You'll see a link for myself, Keenan Grace, and Stockmo, or should I say Stockmo, Keenan Grace, and myself, because it's going to be on Stockmo's page. So I'm going to leave a link to that. We will be live. And then I'm also going to leave a link for Josh Nichols. We do Technical Tuesdays. That's always here on this page. But then he goes on further on his other page. I'm only one person, but I'm doing everything I can to keep you guys abreast of what's going on so you can make money. What kind of money? Smart money. So you can get in and you can get out. All right, good people. I got a lot to do today, but I want to keep you guys fed. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.